Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing this glitch, which people might not know unless you watch Rottenese, but I mean, yeah. So let's get straight into the glitch. I'll explain it during the way because it's kind of confusing. So, you know these extras? You never thought that you could text them or give them gifts or order them or anything, could you? If you click on them, they're like level 50 up, and you can like gift them, chat to them. Let's see, so we've got almost 53, I think. Yeah. So them two are 53. This one's 56, I remember. This one's 51. This one I think is 52. And this one I actually can't remember. So this one's 51. Okay, so let's go to his profile. Also credit to Rottenese on this. No, I do not want to save the movie because I'll be back. Okay, let's check his guest book first. People have written in her guest book. I mean, his. Let's make a look of him. I mean, he doesn't have that much thing. But, like, why did I just take his top off? Oh my god, he looks creepy, I'm not even joking. But I mean, he is a monster. This video is just gonna be short and snappy, to be honest. But yeah, should we check out Lemonade? Because you know, like, why not? No, I do not want to save the movie. Thank you very much. These were created in 2009. I'm shook. I'm like, who wouldn't be shook? Shook, because she's level 39. I'm literally dying right now. Just yay! I hot me. She doesn't have that many nice pants, but I mean, let's go with them. She has only one pair of shoes. Glasses held to them in there now. Sorry, my voice sounds weird, probably because it is. I'll just do two more, which will be another boy and another girl. And then I'll have to say goodbye. Wait, no, we'll do all of them. I'll leave the devil till last, because you know, like, why not? No, I do not. Ooh, see, he has clothes. Don't ask what I'm doing because I have no clue myself. Yeah. Okay, so that was the pirate. Also, I'll show you that you can't search them up in a minute. I might just do one more person because I am lazy. But yeah, I've done them three. I just have three more to do. Nope. They post literally nothing. She devil. Okay, So if I copy and paste her name, nothing comes up with her. Literally nothing. So that was that video, I guess. So yeah. Also, sorry I haven't been posting for ages, so yeah, right now I'm just gonna say, roll the outro. Bye.